up, everyone? It's me, GamerXZ here, and today we're playing Flood Escape. So let's play. So here's my avatar, and we're gonna go on a multiplayer game. I don't know which one. I'm gonna go the game easy has ended. Intermission 40:30. Okay, I'm going in it. Thank you. Extra lives, open maps. Yeah, I wanna open. Okay, you need Robux. Okay, please wait. Intermission 2. 1, go. Round begins. I wish I could vote for a map. Lowering. Share. Okay. I never knew this was gonna happen. Okay. Oh no. Please don't tell me I need to do this all over again. Okay, that was not fair. How did the others not die when I died? Oh, were they jumping? 6 players needed to escape. Okay. No, I'm gonna exit. Okay, which one? Oh, wait, please, give me. Okay, good. I'm going hard mode. Guys, I'm going on a hard mode, so make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button because I'm going on hard mode. Escape the fire. Yeah. Okay, I pressed the red button. Way. Okay, I understand what's going on now. Flood. Somebody has already died. Nope. No. Okay. What am I supposed to do? Okay, that's what I'm supposed to do. Okay. I guess it was too easy. That was too hard. It was actually too easy for me. That was so hard. Information, please. Oh, yay. We're beginning our game by... Oh, people joining. Bye-bye. Okay, escape. Please, get me out of here. Oh, yeah, you need to press the buttons. Why are they not pressing the button? Somebody please press the button. Somebody please press. Okay, good, open. No, I never knew that would happen. I never knew of this map. I'm the worst at this game. I knew I was the worst at this game. I'm the worst at Flood Escape. So we need left to, okay. One player needs to escape. Player left needs to escape. Oh my god. I'm not gonna stop recording. I'm just gonna pause this. Okay, I'm back. I'm just gonna spectate at the medium people. At the hard. He's the only one. Oh yeah, that's the guy I saw, I think. Oh ho. Danger. Bye. Okay. I guess we are gonna start. Intermission 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Let's go back on hard mode. I guess we're gonna start. Please make sure to smash the like button because I'm on hard mode. Yeah, please. Okay, is this like an obby? I guess this is like an obby. I hate how I jump. My arms. Somebody has died. What am I supposed to do here? Okay. Can't turn back. Okay, I'm supposed to do this right. Okay. Oh, that was so close. Okay, that was close. Please don't die. Okay, I'm definitely gonna die right now. Oh my god. Please don't die, please don't die, please don't die, please don't die. Please. Okay, I died. But that was a good game though. That was actually a good game though. You got 2 points. Okay. Well, that was actually a good game. Guide, yes. Welcome to Flan. How can I help? I have an idea for this game. Goodbye. Goodbye. Bye. So guys, thank you. That's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Make sure to hit that like button. And if you enjoyed, if you liked this video, make sure to subscribe too and turn on multiplications.